I have never questioned indaba yengane nobaba nani. I've never done that.
No.
Kwaba no Mthombeni ungakhulumi photo. Kwaba I've never Mthombeni.
Nina nifike kumina nazo ngitshela ukuthi uMaKhwela uthandana nabanye abantu.
Hayibo. Naye wayemention izinto ababekade beyikhuluma. Kodwa today I know izinto eshoyi nina lezo. Angimazi mina umuntu wakhe. And for that matter anginawo ne-interest. Akekho umuntu ongenayo history yakhe. Ungenaphi kwi-history yomunye umuntu? Uhlanganaphi? The most important thing is that she is now here. Nawe bhuti ngingenaphi ekutheni wenzeni wangenzini?
Ngiyayazi mina into enikhulume nami.
Akusiyona le oyishoyo. Uyazijika izinto Mthombeni. Uyimise ngendlela ofuna izwakala endlebeni yakho ngakhona. UMthombeni mefuna into uphume kuyona uzoyijika ayenze ibe ugly so that uzoyiyeka ukukhuluma ngayo. Let me make an example. Mthombeni phela akufanele yini ngabe sewusilethela ama results wasisi like your HIV and AIDS, your STIs, your everything. Yazi Mthombeni ukuthi uzothini uzokunika impendulo ezokwenza.
Hayibo. Hey. Okay, so MaKhumalo says she has never questioned the paternity of MaKhwela's baby. But Mseleku says that is not true. He says that she and the others have questioned the paternity and they have said that uMaKhwela uthandana nabanye abantu. I believe MaKhumalo didn't question the paternity, but even if she did, I don't see a problem because at the end of the day, we are all married to one man. And if we were to find out which this baby is not his, that means you've been stepping out of the marriage, and that puts everybody's health at risk. And besides, they're just trying to check her. They need to check her with and I don't see anything wrong lapo. I mean, mamazala do it, mother-in-laws do it, sisters do it. They wanna see is this girl really is she a loyal type or is she a strat? You get what I mean? So getting the paternity test, getting the paternity and igazi and the test results is just doing due diligence when it comes to a polygamous marriage. So